So a couple of years ago, PTA came to every contingent of the school, including our staff, and asked us what are the most important ways that we could spend a chunk of money. And one of the things that my staff came up with was this idea of a way to organize recess time. And literally the next day, I received a flyer on my desk from Hero, and Lamar Kendricks had come by so I called him right away, and because I knew that if we hired someone, I would have to train them, and frankly, I don't have time in my day. So the Hero program really offers us recess activities, offers us physical activity time, which he takes half classes. And so it enables my teachers then to have small group instruction. So for instance, in first grade, half of Miss Koizumi's class and half of Miss Dodd's class go out to Hero. So those teachers are left with only 14 kids. And they do either extension activities in mathematics or intervention activities in mathematics. That's incredible time for our teachers. Meanwhile, kids are out here learning the games that then they can be a part of in the Hero program. Some of the benefits: increased sportsmanship, increased leadership, especially among my 4th and 5th graders, because leadership is a part of the Hero program. There's a mentoring program for kids that are really having some difficulties engaging with their peers in an unstructured recess time. Another benefit is the decrease in the first year of 60% office referrals after lunchtime, because kids weren't getting so frustrated and they had things to do. We know that when we give stuff to kids to do, they're more engaged. If we ask them to wander around, they're going to find engagement, and it's usually not where we want them to find it. We've also noticed a decrease in tagging on our school. Now, the part that hasn't decreased is the outer community coming onto our campus, which is not a huge problem, but we were noticing that, especially in 4th and 5th grade recesses, on benches, kids were writing their names, but things like that were happening because they weren't engaged. So you'll notice today that kids are actually playing more, and when they don't want to play in the competitive games, there's other activities for them to do. And as the year goes on, the activities will increase, including the leadership part, dance and drama, quiet activity table with games and toys to